Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Oasis. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that recently Oasis has broken down the support of a big rising wedge pattern, and this is one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after the breakdown, the price line is still moving down. But now recently on the daily time frame chart, it has formed this down channel. And now after getting bounced from this long-term support of 8.5 cents, it has once again reached the resistance of this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And on a 7 days time frame chart, we will once again take a look at this big breakout from this big descending triangle and the breakdown from this rising wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to show you the stochastic oscillator that has entered the oversold zone. And recently, we have received a bull cross from the oversold zone. You can see that this blue line is crossing up the orange line. That is a buying signal by the stochastic oscillator from the oversold zone, and at the same time the price and is also having a very nice support here at 8.5 cents as well. And we will analyze this move as well. And I would also like to show you this very massive support of Ichimoku, a cloud that was previously breaking other resistance, and now it can work as a strong support. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for FIS, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 28th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Oasis. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. Recently, you can see that Oasis has formed this down channel. And while it was moving inside this previous rising wedge, at the same time, you can see that just before the breakdown from this rising wedge pattern, we found the support and resistance of this channel. And here we had a long spike to the downside, but the price had recovered back very soon and re-entered the same channel. Therefore, this was the fake out to the downside. And now the price line is once again reached the resistance of this channel. And this is, by the way, a bullish fast pattern. Therefore, I'm not expecting that the price line may hit the target for the breakdown from this big rising wedge pattern that I have been telling you in my previous videos. And that target was here at the bottom of the wedge, approximately at 3.75 cents. And now there is a probability that we may break out the resistance of the channel, because at the same time, you can see that stochastic has entered the oversold zone. Previously, when it was entered the oversold zone, at that time, we were testing this very long-term support of 3.75 cents. That was also working as a support of this big descending triangle as well. And you can see that we broke out the triangle. And so far from this low to this high, you can see it rallied more than 387%. This time the price line has again dropped down at this next support, that is at 8.5 cents. And the price line and stochastic has entered the oversold zone, and we have just received a bull cross between the blue line and the orange line, and therefore there is a probability that we may break out the resistance of this down channel on the daily time frame chart. And after the breakout, the target to the upside will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 18.5 cents. And that is a quite long-term resistance, by the way. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart once again, then you can see that 18.5 cents had been previously breaking as support here and support here. And again, it can break as a resistance. By the way, here it was also breaking as a resistance as well. Now, if we take a look at the next support, that is this Ichimoku cloud that is now flipped into a bullish cloud. Previously, it was bearish. Let me to make it more visible for you, and you can see that it is flipped into a bullish cloud. The color is changed from bearish to bullish, from red to green. Therefore, now this bullish cloud can work as a very strong support. The bearish cloud works as a very strong resistance, but it works as a very weak support. But if we take a look at the bullish cloud, that works as a very strong support. But as a resistance, it works as a very weak resistance. Now, It is breaking as support, and if the price and will be move more down, then somewhere here at 6.85 cents, it can test its support, this bullish cloud as a support, and this time it will be working as a very, very strong support for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the bigger target for this very, very big descending triangle, you can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this very big descending triangle. We have broken it out, and the target for this breakout is, by the way, here by the way, that is approximately at 55 cents. So this also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.